Hello, cabezas de chorlito. The big day, 2020, is here. And I bet a lot of birders are ready to go and upload their checklist to eBirds. And I think my big day is going to be like this. Wait, hold on. Punta Arenas, my hometown, is under quarantine. That means that my big day 2020 looked something like this. To make it a little bit more challenging and interesting, what I decided is that for every species I would give a fun fact.
Question number 1. It goes by the scientific name of Passer domesticus. Domesticus makes clear reference to the commensalistic relationship they have with humans, and not to being domesticated.
Sparrow.
Question number 2. Which bird inhabits almost all human settlements from Scandinavia to Patagonia? In many areas, it's only found near people. There are flocks kept inside mines only fed by the miners. It is considered anthropodependent, and some populations have gone extinct locally without human presence.
Sparrow.
Question number 3. Which species has an ancestor that dates back to 12,020 years ago, and its relationship with humans began some 10,000 years ago? And today, it includes 12 subspecies.
Fly like a sparrow. Do. Fly like a sparrow.
Question number 4. It originated in Europe and Africa, but now it has spread to all continents except Antarctica.
Sparrow.
Question number 5. Which species has had over 250 introduction and translocation events recorded worldwide, with the first delivered successful introduction occurring in 1851 in New York City, with flocks from Germany and England?
Sparrow.
Question number 6. Which bird in 1898 became the main character of A Tale of Natural Selection when 136 nearly frozen house sparrows were rescued at Brown University in Rhode Island, USA after a winter storm, and only half of the individuals recovered? And then Professor Harold Bulpus was curious as to why some survived while others died. He discovered that the survivals had body shapes that were near the average of the population, and that the dead ones had larger or smaller body measurements than the average. And even today, it remains famous for being the first detailed exploration of natural selection in any wild population.
Never-ending sparrow.
Question number 7. Which is the most widely distributed bird on the planet?
House Sparrow.
Question number 8. Which species has over 7,000 articles published, and it has become the workhorse for study of self-organized wildlife, life history and body size evolution, sexual selection, onset of reproduction, metabolic rate, hormone regulation, immune system and clutch size, founding effect, bottleneck
Sparrow.
effect? Question number 9. Which bird has thousands of specimens in museums that were collected before 1900, allowing scientists to study changes over time?
'Cause this is Sparrow night.
Question number 10. Which species had its DNA fingerprinting before any other bird?
We all live in a yellow. No, sparrow doesn't rhyme there.
Question 11. Which species provided the first genetic evidence of extra pair paternity in pair bonding species?
Let me think. Sparrow.
Number 12. Which species is ideal for studies about variation in population across different geographical areas because it is so widely spread?
Sparrow.
Question 13. Who is very curious and ready to try new unfamiliar food items?
Yeah. Sparrow.
Question 14. Who uses human infrastructure and even cigarette butts to kill parasites in the nest?
House Sparrow. As you can see, my big day turned out to be a little bit different than other years. And I must be honest and say that it was quite a surprise when I started doing the research about our little sparrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new about the house sparrow. Especially because we kind of take it for granted. And I'm sure that a lot of things that we know about birds is because of him, her, it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, say like, leave some comments below and tell me what you saw during the big day. And don't forget our motto, birding for learning, learning for sharing, and sharing for caring. See you next time.